Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to cook mushrooms. So I will show you in step by step cooking mushrooms. This is white mushrooms. Expiry date 24th of February, today 20th of February 2020. Less than half kilo. First of all, we need to wash mushrooms properly, very well. Little bit end, just in case, and then small pieces. Like that is fine. That's it. Now we add water to boil. We need to boil mushrooms as a first stage. Now we start boiling mushrooms. We chop onion into small pieces and adding the onion into frying pan, and then we add the boiled mushrooms to the frying pan to fry it as a second stage. So we chopped onion into small pieces, as you can see. Now we will cut one tomato into small pieces as well. Now squeeze small piece of lemon on the mushrooms. Now we will be adding cooking oil. I add pure corn oil. To the frying pan while mushroom is boiling. Now the mushroom is boiled, so we will be adding small pieces of onion into frying pan, cooking oil, and then small pieces of tomato, and of course I will add the salt. I'm using salt, Himalayan salt. And we will fry, and then we add the mushrooms. Now we add the boiled mushrooms into frying pan. Here. And leave it to be fried. Just 10 minutes, 15 minutes. mushrooms is finished frying, and now we will put that to be served. The mushroom. There's some mint. And now it's ready to be served. Thank you for watching. Please share it and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Bye.